Alright guys, we have here Ford Fusion 2015 backup camera issue, so we already replaced it. It's just like that, and all you need to do in the trunk, remove that carpet right here, and it's just like few pins, few clips. This is the old camera, you can buy it online. This is the part number on that. This is the part number, and we just bought it online. It's much cheaper than the dealer, or I mean other parts suppliers. All you need to do, there is like 4 nuts using socket number 10 right here, from here, as you see my fingers. Take them off, and then the other tricky point is this thing is going to be very, very, very tight. That bezel is going to be very tight, so you have to use a special tool, I mean that kind of tool, to just push it gently, just like that, and wiggle it down. Be careful, because this thing is going to break easily. So these all pins, which my finger has to come off, but just be patient, just try to play with it very gently. It's eventually is going to come off. When it came off at the back side, right here, all you need to do, take off the wiring harness, and there is 2 clips right there, and the camera is gonna pop up right here. See, behind that. When you remove that clip, then remove that star, T30 star, and the camera is gonna pop up. You have to disconnect this wire and this wire, so it's gonna give you enough room. When you replace it, just put it back, everything together. It's about maybe an hour job or so. And that was a quick guide for the backup camera replacement on 2014 to 16 Ford Fusion. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful time.